One thing you might want to do with the data that you have in CrossReference is to export that and to use it in other systems that can take in data. One example we might have of this is maybe we want to do a mail merge. In this circumstance, we maybe want to thank some of the people who have helped out in the church and send them a note, and we will mail merge their names into it. And so we'll select volunteers, and then we'll add to that youth volunteers, and we'll add to that all leaders. And then we'll subtract from that staff, because this is to volunteers only. And we'll subtract as well youth staff. That gives us 88 records. And then we will export that, and we'll call the file export. And this will save the file as a file called export.csv. And then we take a look at Google Sheets and we do an import. And we'll upload the file. And we find export.csv and import it. And then we will import the data. Now we'll have to hide some of the results of this so that this video will show on YouTube. If we show any emails, phone numbers, any personal identifying information, the video will not post on YouTube. So we'll have that data fuzzed out, but as you can see, the data does get imported into Google Sheets.